bese sevini.
Yeah.
Understand? Sangibambisa lapho ke mntwana.
My brother,
Yes.
to add from what you were saying, so I think some of the things that contributes to lust, mostly, because here we're talking about a boy and a girl, or a man and a man. So basically, we are facing challenges from networks, like our cell phones. That is troubled, number one, because there, like we'll talk about Facebook or WhatsApp, because those one are the mostly used. So you find out that that girl, like he like when you chat, it is simple. Then especially those things like some men, I don't know, would say, yo, the moment you're chatting there, we are talking about chatting, where last comes from, because we have to know where last comes from before we can answer how we control it, because you cannot solve something that you don't know where it comes from.
Yes.
So first we have to check where last comes from.
Yeah.
Therefore, the moment we understand where last comes from, then that is when we are going to come up with a proper solution for it, because we have to have a formula, or there must be a formula that us Christians must use to defeat the spirit of lust. So number one, I am talking about this thing of chats. So you find out that the moment you are cheating there, that girl is simple. You understand? So like you share each other those things, like what do they call them? These the my hearts, look, these things, emojis. Yeah, you see from emojis, because we have to understand all things come from smaller substances. The moment that girl sends like those emojis that of heart, what you view them. Then you begin, as men, we are weak from our side. Then we begin to see those things. Then like heart. You have to understand about therefore, it means you see that's when they like you begin to have even thoughts, because you have to understand that Satan, the way he operates in the brain. You will never see devil. Even if the devil is tempting you, through your brain. Even Jesus, we have to include it. We are talking about the Bible here. So even Jesus was tempted by the devil, but you have to understand that on that wilderness, devil didn't come physical, but it came in his brain, in his thoughts. So it means that Jesus there in the wilderness, he began to have some visions, because a vision comes through thoughts. So he began to have visions whereby the devil shows him that he changed this stone to bread. Go, no, throw yourself to the temple. The Lord will send angels to hold you, because what you remember that story.
Yes.
So it means that the devil tempts us through the brain. You understand? So right now, the moment you see those things, the moment you have those thoughts, because number one, you have to understand that girl so tempted already. So when we a solution, we see so like at the posa ways to do that. So how do you defend yourself? You understand me?
Yes.
So it means that right now you have to remember the scriptures, whereby God says that he pray so that you may not enter into temptation. It means that you have to pray. The moment you see those things, you have to remember the word of God. That is why you have Judas and we have Peter. The Bible tells us that Peter, after he denied Jesus 3 times, he remembered the words of Jesus, what he told him before, that he's going to deny him. So he repented afterwards. Do you understand me?
Yes.
Therefore, when we talk about Judas knew that he was the one that is going to how can I put this, to sell Jesus. Then right now Judas had to know that God, the moment we repent to God, he forgives us, but he forgot those ways. Therefore he hung himself. Do you see where lust comes from?
Yes.
So the moment you see those things, we have to remember the ways of God, what he said, God. We have to repent. No one is perfect in this earth.
Yes.
That is why the Bible says that all of us will fall short of his glory. It means that no one is perfect. Therefore, we have to repent on the time.
Yes.
Therefore, you have to, after you repent, you have to believe that right now I am clean, I am righteous. That's what we do most of the time.
Yes.
I don't know, Nebu, you want to add?
So yeah, the other thing is that